Good morning. So today's assignment for math is to complete the skill building set number 1 worksheet. I'm going to do some of the problems with you. I'll try to find the problems that look the most difficult. Okay, so we're going to start with question number 2. Amelia is filling her pool at a rate of 32 gallons per minute. So we know that that's going to be important. If the pool started with 125 gallons, so we know we're going to add that to whatever we figure out. So it starts with 1,250 gallons. How many gallons would it contain after she filled it for 2 hours? Okay, so here's the key word. This is hours, this is minutes. So we need to convert 2 hours to minutes. So 2 hours, first thing I'm going to do is times that by 60 because we know that there's 60 minutes in an hour. So that equals 120 minutes. So after 120 minutes, how many gallons is it filled? So we're going to take 120. We're going to times that by 32. And that's going to tell us how many gallons she puts in after 2 hours. Okay, so 120 times 32 is 3,840. Okay, but I'm not done because I know that I still have to add the 1,250 gallons that were already in it. So 3,840 plus 1,250 is 5,090 gallons. Okay, and that is your final answer. Okay, question number 3 says, do each of the following calculations using order of operation, then check your answer using your calculator. So remember, order of operations is P for parentheses, excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so first thing I have to do here is the exponents. 5 to the second is 25. Okay, and then down here, the first thing I can do is multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. 25 plus 10 is 35. 12 minus 5 is 7. 35 is divisible by 7, and it's 5. Okay, that's the final answer for that one. These you can really just put in your calculator, and your calculator knows what order of operation to do. Okay, number 4, determine the value of each expression given the value of the replacement variable. Let's do letter A. It's telling me that for every x I have, I'm going to put in an 8. So 1/2 times 8 plus 5. Okay, and then you can go ahead and put that in your calculator. 1/2 of 8 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Number 5, you're just going to plug in -3 everywhere you have an x. Nothing really difficult with that, but I'll go ahead and 2 times -3 squared minus 5 times -3 plus 7. And you can do this out, or you can put it in your calculator. 2 parentheses -3 squared minus 5 parentheses -3 plus 9. And my calculator told me it was 42. I don't know if you can see that. That is not correct because that's not one of the choices. So let's do it out. Okay. 2 -3 to the squared would be times 9 because -3 times -3 is a positive 9. -5 times 3 would be positive 15 plus 9. That would be 18 plus 15 plus 9. Now I can do that. 18 plus 15 plus 9 is still 42. I'm not sure about you, but I got the same answer twice. I would just leave it as 42. I'm not really sure. It must be I'm doing something wrong here. Let's see. If I take out the parentheses and I just put in negative 3 squared, I believe that will give me negative 9. 2 times negative 9 minus 15. Or, sorry, that'd still be plus 15. Plus. Oh, I know what my problem is. I keep putting in a 9. That's a 7. Okay? Reason why you should wear your glasses if you have them. Okay, let's try that again. So I actually know that that will give me 40, which is the choice. Sorry about that. The answer is 3. Okay. Number 6, for each of the following statements, choose one of the 3 words below to justify which real number property is being used. Remember when I see CO? CO means change order. Associative means that we're going to look for parentheses, 2 sets of parentheses, like here, not like here. Okay, so I'm going to look at some of these, and distributive means we'll have a number on the outside and then 1 set of parentheses. Okay, so let's just randomly look at some. 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, my order changed, so my answer is 1. X plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2, my order changed. This one's also commutative. Okay, let's look at this one. What's in parentheses changed, so that's associative. And I have 7 times 14, which is 7 times 10, and then 7 times 4, which is the distributive. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 7, which is the last problem. And it says write each expression below in simplest form. So let's just do a few of these. I can combine 4x minus 3x, which would give me 1x. Negative 7 plus 2 would be negative 5. So all you're doing is just combining like terms. Here we're going to do the distributive property. 4 times 2 is 8x. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3x plus 1, because we didn't do anything with the last part of that expression yet. Okay, now we're going to combine our like terms. We can combine 8x plus 3x, which is 11x, and then 6 plus 1, which is 7. Okay, let's look at this one, which is the distributive property twice. So I'm going to multiply here and here. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15x. 5 times 7 is 35. Now I have a negative 2 times 4, which is negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Let's combine 15 and 8, which is going to be negative 23x. 35 plus 4 is 39. Okay, and usually the last problem is most difficult, so I'll do that one. Just start with the distributive property. 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times 11 is 22. 18 divided by 3 is 6x. 63 divided by 3 is 21. Okay, now we're going to combine like terms. 6x minus 6x would give us 0x, so we don't have to write anything. 22 plus 21 is 43. Okay, and that is it for today. If you have any questions on any of the remaining problems, go ahead and send me a message. Let me know. Hope you're having a good day.